participating in 18 roses. And before that, guys, of course, thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Nicole. And now, guys, thank you guys, those who participated. You may now turn to your seats. Thank you very much.
Wait, hold on.
Next program, and now we would like to hear a message or a word from the parents of our birthday celebrant. Are you ready? Nina, let's hear some words from Nina and Patrick Orlin.
Jag vet inte vad jag ska säga riktigt. Det är min dotter, hon fyller 18. Det känns lite konstigt som förälder att hon är väldigt vuxen där. Man tittar på bilderna när hon var jätteliten och låg här på bröstet. Hon var nyfödd och jag känner det inte så. Hon har 18 år. Hon tar hand om sig själv. Vi stöttar ju alltid dig. I alla fall. Vi älskar dig så mycket. Ja, men det stämmer det för. Jag säger bara lycka till i livet. Vi är alltid här för dig. Vi är dina föräldrar. Vi älskar dig.
Mina. Zoom.
Ja.
Zoom. Och så.
Tack så mycket.
Oh. Ikaw, Mina. Ikaw din.
Yan, Nicole, mas kaya sa'yo din ang anak ko. Together, they want to let us as a mother, as a daughter. Can you change? As I am your daughter and you are my mom instead. Wait lang. Mas kaya sa'yo today, anak ko. I have a message to you. As a mother, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I forget things. I lose my cool and control sometimes. And sometimes I go a little crazy, you know, as a mother. Shouting my kelehon. And then, that's okay, because in the end, no one could ever love a child the way I do. I love you so much, Bebe.
Oh. Naiyak ako. Naiyak ako. Naiyak ako. Ganda ng message.
Thank you for the touching message.
Ganda ng message sa akin?
And now, may we hear another birthday message from not only a family member, but a cousin, but Nicole's partner in crime. Go.
Moral support, Blue.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wala, wala.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Oh my God, this girl.
Yulia, pinadurog sa guban.
Okay.
Look at her na. Look. Yulia. Somebody.
Okay.
You want something tissue, Julia?
I need a tissue.
There.
Can you use my clothes instead? What is that? Dumisugin ko kasi.
She needs to pee. Again. Chair.
Okay.
Sit next to her. For some of you who don't know, I am the cousin of Nicole and also her best friend. And this is my family right there. That's my mom. And the 3 boys, they're my brothers.
They could be downstairs.
Okay. Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous. But first of all, I want to thank everyone who made this all possible, especially Auntie Myrna, and for all of you who helped to decorate, to help prepare for the food. I just want to get a quick round of applause for you guys. Good job. And for the reason we're here, Nicole, you are so amazing. I've seen you grow up. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
Just cry.
You,
You want some tissue? You want some tissue? Budget sharing.
so, I've known you for my whole life, and you've known me for mine. And I want to say to you, I'm so thankful for everything you've done for me. And you have become such a strong woman, and also so beautiful, both on the inside and the outside. And everything you do means so much to me. And I'm so happy to be able to call you my best friend. And for some of you who got the honor to know who she is, to really get to know her, she's so amazing. Some of you might know her as being a shy girl, or she keeps to herself, but behind that, she's such an amazing girl. And she loves everyone so much. And she would do anything for anyone. Like, clean your house when you're gone, or do your dishes, or get you flowers when you're sad. Thank you so much for that. You've done so much to help me, and I just wish I could pay everything back. You mean so much, not only me, but to your friends and to your family. I know being 18 is very scary. You just step into adulthood and you won't know what to do, where to go. But I will tell you it's okay, because you will never have to do it alone. I will be here, your family will be here, and just look around in this room. A lot of the people in this room are also here for you. So you will never have to go through anything alone. I'm so incredibly proud of you. You've become so strong and fight through the battles alone. I know how much it can hurt sometimes. But I just hope you will live on to have a happy life and get to the goals that you wish to reach. Because I want to be there to celebrate every part of that. And I just want to tell you, I love you so much. And I will continue to love you. And I wish I could protect you from all the bad things that happens in life. You know, if you cry, I cry too. And if you smile, I smile too. I'm sorry I destroyed the makeup.
You ruined the makeup.
But you're still so beautiful. I wish I could stay best friends with you forever. I'm so happy that I'm able to call you not only my best friend, but my family. I'm truly blessed. Thank you and congratulations. I love you so much.
Anyari? Ha? Naiyak ang mother.
For that wonderful message. I can see that everyone begins to be tear-eyed, even me. And of course, let's give them a
Ay, sige, kilat na, Jack.
very touching message.
O, Jackie po, Jackie. Pa-message.
But we are not finished yet, Hannah. We would like you to come. We would like to invite you here again and here now.
Not now. Sorry. We're going to have the 18 candles. So, okay. So, a bit misunderstanding. We're going to have a game.
Of course, Mirna, this time I would like to invite you also and Hannah. Please come here. Hannah, please come here. Can you have one in the message? You can stay.
Nicole, can you move over? Center.
Here.
In front of audience. Vamos que stand up, okay? The Coca-Cola will represent your mom.
Bakit ang lapit sa
No, the
pagkatotohanan?
Coca-Cola will represent your mom. Okay, yeah. And then the look is for Hannah. Okay? We will ask you certain question, and then they will answer. Those who answer right, something right, for example, your mom answer right, then you have to raise the Coca-Cola. Yeah, got it?
About Nicole? Okay. Yes. Hand you up. Yes. Okay. This game is called How Well Do You Know Nicole? Okay. For the first question is, what is she most afraid of?
I don't know, it's a conflict.
How about you, Hannah? Girl, let me tell you, if you show her a picture, that's not good. No. Did you guess the spider or something? Okay, let's see the truth. So, this race, we go. Well, I guess so.
Let's now move on to the next question. Next question is, what is her favorite drink? We will start with Hannah.
Like alcoholic or?
I swear I don't know.
Say. Energy drink. What kind of energy drink? The blue one. The Red Bull. Okay, Nicole. Birthday tweets. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Hi.
Ako talaga siya.
Let's move on to the next question. Are you ready? What is her favorite food? Let's begin with
I think she loves bagoong.
that sounds good for a Filipina.
Say seafood or more specifically queso.
That both. That sounds good too. But let's hear from Nicole. This race. Wow, now we know.
Our next question. What is her favorite song?
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay. We will go to the next question instead.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is her favorite movie?
Barn program.
Dumena ang one for you.
She's watching Disney movie. I don't know, it's a barn. Disney film. I don't know. Disney.
Maybe describe it maybe sing. Right? Let's see. I don't think both don't have a good answers now. I think both are wrong. That's what she means.
Okay then, what is her favorite dessert?
She don't eat too much dessert, but she loves fruits. Only ka fruits. Only matakaw.
Time for us.
Elehon, ikaw, you love fruits, elehon. Ano yan? What did you say?
And let's move on to the next question. What is her shoe size?
I think 43.
Oh my God.
It's like 40.
Wrong ka din.
Next question. Where is her favorite place to shop? Red Cross.
I think normal. Eller Shein.
Yeah, that's true. It's Shein and normal. Places.
Wala. None of the above.
And it looks like ang lubos na kilala kay Nicole, I think it's the best friend. Friend? But I know Max knows best. So, thank you guys. Now we know.
Not too much kay mama eh. Hindi siya open eh.
Ganun naman.
Baka yan.
Sa
umaga naman daramdaman ang iyong laman, tuwang-tuwa sa'yo.
Ngayon ay malaki ka na, nais mo'y maging malaya,
Di man sila payag, walang magagawa. Ikaw nga'y biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo na'y sinuway mo.
Iiwanan
Na parang ginagaway para sa'yo. Pagkat ang nais mo'y masunod ang layaw mo, hindi mo sila pinapansin. Saan pa ang mga araw, ang landas mo'y naligaw, ikaw ay nalulung sa masamang bisyo.
Huwag ka magpusa na.
Una mong nilapitan ang iyong inang lumuluha,
At ang tanong na at kinakagalian, ang iyong mga lumuha na di mo mapapansin.
pagsisisiya sa isip mo'y nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisiya sa isip mo'y nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisiya sa isip mo'y nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali.
Alright, now we can get candles. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Good night. Thank you, ladies. One, two, three, four. Close. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boleva, ya boleva, boleva, tinundayo, la vista oleva, la vista oleva, la vista oleva, tinundayo, na una leva, na una leva, na una leva, tinundayo, la busca, toma, please give her a fair valid leave, but I don't know what to say.
Ett tvåfaldigt lever från Nicole. Och nere. Wow! 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 Wow!
Thank you. Okay. Coffee time.
The second bihita he. Bakan do say Patrick say någonting
Ja,
på din dotters.
min dotter fyller 18.
Mm.
Ja, det var jättefint.
Det är jättekul. Det är jättefint party.
Ja,
Jättefint. Skål.
det är många jobbar hårt här.
Ja, vad ska du säga till Nicole? Detta ska vara på YouTube.
Ja. Jag hoppas hon lyckas i framtiden.
Mm.
Ja. Önskar kind of rocking now. Oh, no.
And now, of course,
Happy
let's
birthday.
start with this table because of the birthday celebration here. Like all these tables. So we start. And now, the table that they brought that we forgot before. The table movies. Now, stand up and get your dessert. Table movies. Movies! How are you? Pick up your take your desserts.
Nicole.
Hello everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you all for coming and looking at me. My birthday. This is my
Oh, si Alex. Si Natalie. Si Alexa. Double hat na. Si Lola. Mga to. Look, 5 years old siya. Oh, si Alex! Si Alex! Oh, yun, ito na ang look at. Oh, may type na pa. Oh, Bayanihan Club. Oh, sila Alexa.
Tulog sa bangin.
Mga lolo. Old lolo. Nagbakasyon sa Denmark.
tayo sa Binsa. La Union.
Oy!
Pagkakaldi. Oh. Si Matso.
Ay, si Kuya.
Wala sila kuya
si
naman.
Mami. Wala party din nilang when I was celebrating to Julia. Julia, nag-ring lang! Oh. Julia, look at you. It's a... so cute though, Nicole.
Si Hana.
It's your wedding day, sister. Yeah. Oh, you're so small, Nicole. Oh. Oh, Lola babe. Lola boy is that.
Oh, si James.
Oh, it's Jan. It's a Jan.
Jan yun.
Is that Julia?
Julia.
Sala? Si Dora? Oh.
Hi! Hi guys! Ay,
Sige, pangalas mama. Kuha gitu.
Nga naman eh, hindi lagi siya maato sa atong atubangan. Hindi madawat ang unaw. Abantok bro.
Iyan naman siguro na dito. Ano ba? Okay. Tambok sa dislito. Sa video.
Oh, sa siya na dili. Pag-uwi. Oh, basta.
Samsung naman. Mana nata, di ba? Iyok ka nga sa
Uy, tinood man na yan.
ay, atong kanan de.
Vad kan du säga om din birthday celebration?
Jag tackar alla för att komma hit och kolla på mig. Jag älskar alla här, jag älskar alla väl och en bra framtid. Ja.
Okay.
We love you, Nicole. We love Nicole.
Okay. What's your more message for Nicole?
That she's very beautiful and that she has every side of her is great and we love her.
Okay, thank you. Look at the smile.
As a mother, what do you...
What do you say?
Ah, mother,
what
mother.
Say about this party, Nicole?
Redan.
It's like, talk to me. I'm asking to you. I'm asking you pula.
Thank you so much. You did this for me. I
Eh?
love you very much. I cannot live without you. If you die, I die too.